Hello everyone, this is King IoT. This video I will show you our new product. We have designed this KC868-AI board that is used for the input module. So this will have 48 digital input channel, and also will support IR receiver and IF receiver, so that you can use the TV or air conditioning remote, or this 433 MHz remote used by this board. And this board also we have designed based on the ESP32 module, and it can easily to integrate to Home Assistant by the ESPHome. Also, you can write the Arduino IDE code so that you can read the input for this digital input and send the command and communication with this IS232 port, or also support the IS485 port. You can support by the Modbus protocol. And you can see here, you can see the Ethernet port and the ESP32 and the USB download cable and the remote and the RF. So this used for the input, used for your sensor and used for your wall switch, and any dry contact device can be connected with this board. And also there is a I2C extend, so you can extend many input device for I2C bus. And let's look at this hardware details. Okay, let's look at this is the AI board. This is in front of a PCB, and this is the back. And this should also support install the DIN rail. You can see that will be very easy to install on the DIN rail, so that you can install this board to your power distribution box. And let's look at some hardware details. And this blue, that is digital input. You can see here is 1, 2, 3, 4 until 24. So this 24 channel of the digital input. And here you can see that is 25 and until 48. So this is another 24 channel of digital input. So totally have 48 digital input. So you can easily use for sensor or use for wall switch, and use this board or work with the relay controller. And this black is ground, that is key-com. Because we have this board, that is our old board. This switch terminal board is controlling the relay controller for max 32 channel, and this time you can use this board and replace this one, so that you can use the wall switch and connect with the sensor used by one board. And this board, new board, also you can see here have IS232 interface and connect with the relay controller or connect with other IS232 device. And this also is IS232, just a different terminal, different chip. And this is IS485, so that A, B, and ground, so that you can use it for long distance, work with the relay controller. And this is the Ethernet. And here you can see some free GPIO you can use. That you can use just free GPIO. And this is the ESP32 module. And this is USB that is downloaded the freeware and downloaded the Arduino code by this port. And this time you can see here the IR receiver, so that you can use this air conditioning remote and the TV remote or other IR remote. So you can press the button, you can send the signal to this IR receiver, and you can write the Arduino code for your remote to control your relay, no problem. And also you can see here is the socket, the black socket, that is for RF 433 MHz receive module. So you can just plug in this module, so that you can use any remote, just use RF remote, and you can control the other device, and you can write the Arduino code and decode the key code by this code. Okay, and this is the power, that is 12 volts and power supply. So you can see here some results, just a digital input and IR receiver, RF receiver, And so this board is used for get the data from the devices and for different devices, so that you can integrate to home assistant very easily. Also, you can support by the ESPHome. We have write the complete the ESPHome config file I share with you, and here you can see also have I2C extend. That is I2C extend. So this board can use for extend your input module for your home automation. And okay, thanks for watching.